been on my neck to side. Okay, so now let's welcome Coach Chioma. If you knew that you got value on Tuesday, she's going to bring in season 2. And you know, season 2 is extra. This is bottom pots. I know how sweet bottom pots is. So family, let's welcome Coach Chioma to the call. So I'm going to make her host. So Coach Chioma, just give it to us hot. She's an amazing person, always willing to help, always willing to teach and impact others. Like, she's one of the best traders and the best people I know. Like, in just less than 2 weeks of knowing her, the value I've gotten from her, the help I've gotten from her has been so amazing. Like, in fact, she's a go-to person, to be very, very honest. She's a go-to person. So I'm just going to give her the call. So I'm just going to make her host so that she takes up. Okay, Coach Chioma, can you hear me? Over to you.
Yes, good evening. I like the way that it's only people that want to learn that are on this call. We are not, that's why I like the way Coach did it small. Like, it's only people that really want to learn. Coach, please make my other device host as well, please. So I can share my screen.
You can share screen irrespective.
All right. Beautiful. All right. So everybody, we're just going to get to it. You can now go and tell people, because we just didn't wanted only people that really wanted to learn. All right. So can you see my face? Can you put the spotlight on my other device, please? So
okay. What's the name of your other device?
It's still Chioma as well.
Okay, so Chioma, let me see. Hey. Okay.
You've seen me?
Yes, yes, I've made it host already.
So you can everybody see me now? Let me stop the video and share again. Can everybody see me now? No.
Wow, don't worry, I've made that one host, so.
Okay.
I don't know, I've made that one host, just the screen. I've made the other one host, so I don't know why. Well, you can just continue. Thank you very much.
All right, that's fine. All right, welcome everyone. So my name is Chioma Okezwe. I'm a Platinum 1000 with this beautiful organization. AKA Madam Financially Fit. And I'm going to be showing you guys something Coach Oran shared for anybody that wanted to learn. So I don't know if he did it just once on Facebook, but I did the training with my team, just my team, my immediate team, and they got value. And I was like, okay, let me just share it since it's a general thing. Coach Oran was willing to share it with everybody, but he did it just once. And that thing is mad. Like, I thank God I'm able to grab quickly. I called everybody to be on that Facebook Live, but I guess a lot of people did not attend. And I dropped the link on the general group for everybody to come on board. So I'm just going to repeat what he did. It was a general thing. It was very, very open for everybody. And that's why I'm going to be free to share this with everybody. It's a game changer. You know, I like to pick small things, just, you know, small things that make sense. Just small things that make sense. So, all right. It's so painful that I can't see my face. Oh, all right. So can everybody see my screen? Beautiful. I'm just going to go straight to trading view. All right. Okay, can everybody see my screen? Everything is clear? So I'm just going to show you guys. Today we are going to be learning about how to trade resistance and support like a pro. I shared it with my team. Some of them missed it, so they'll be here now. I'm sure all of them are here right now so that they can get the value. All right. So now, let me just enter. Let's enter one pair. Let's enter BTC. All right. Don't worry, I don't use this to trade. I use it to confirm. People will be saying, hey, madam, you said you don't use indicators. Yes, I don't use indicators to trade at all. All right, so this is BTC. But before then, you know how we do. Let's do some classes first. So we all know when you have this, all right? Let me make it brighter. All right, we all know that the roof is the resistance and the bottom is a support. Like when you throw a ball to the floor, right? When you throw a ball to the floor, it bounces down like that. And once it bounces on the floor, it goes up. All right? If it hits the ceiling, what happens to it? It comes down. It comes down definitely to the floor. If it bounces, it might not reach the ceiling. Okay? It might not reach the ceiling, but definitely we come down to the floor. So my resistance is the ceiling, my support is the floor. I hope everybody can understand this simple logic. So we can have things happening like this, you know, happen like this. Even, but in Forex, sometimes it doesn't touch the floor. It can hang midway and give you something like that. You understand? You understand me? So it's clear, right? All right. All right. So now we understand what support and resistance is, the easier version of what support and resistance is, right? Thank you. Next stage. Next stage. Now, let's say we are in a downtrend, all right? We are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. All right, we're in a downtrend. When you're in a downtrend, what do you have? You have a higher low and a lower low. True or false? You have a higher low and a lower low. True or false? True or false? By the way, this meeting wasn't planned. It wasn't planned. Coach Ngozi just reached out to me and said, do I have anything to show? I was like, okay, fine. I have one thing I want to put up on my YouTube. Why not just invite everybody here to get it at once? So it wasn't planned. It just came up. So look at that. This is a downtrend. Do you see a lower low and a higher low and lower low? So when you are having downtrends like this, let me make it bigger and more fun. When you have downtrends like this, of course, there's always a pullback. Always a pullback, like waves, yeah? So when you have a downtrend like this, right, you always have lows, new lows happening. So you have new lows, and they're all lows. So you have lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. So it's always low. Then we have lower highs, lower low, higher highs, higher lows. So this is your high and this is your low. This is your high, this is your low. This is your high, this is your low. But this low is lower than this high. I mean, this high is lower than this high. Do you get me? Let me come again. When you have downtrends, you have lows, series of lows going on. Okay? So starting from here, this is a high, right? And this is a low. And this is a lower high, and this is a lower low. This is a lower high, and this is a lower low. So it's easy. Just know that when you have a downtrend, you have lower highs and you have lower lows, okay? But comparing this low to this low, what do you have? A higher low and a lower low. True or false? A higher low and a lower low. All right? Do you get this? If you get it, put a 1 in the chat box. I want to make sure everybody gets it. So comparing this low to this low, This low is higher than this low. Clear? Beautiful. I can see the ones in the chat box. All right. Now, look at this. When you have this going on, all right? When you have this going on, and all of a sudden, you have this. What do you see? What do you see? I want to see my students. I want to see those that are sharp. What do you see? What just happened right there? From my former classes and all the classes, in fact, the starting point class, what do you see? Someone should tell me what they see here. There's good, Chimamanda. There's a reversal happening. But then, what comes from a reversal? How do you know it's a reversal? A breakout, beautiful, a break of structure. Beautiful, a break of structure, right? This. Right? You see a break of structure, right? A break of structure just happened right there. So now, when you see a downtrend that there's been a bit of reversal and a break of structure, what you should be looking at is what? Support. Write it down. When you see a downtrend and a break of structure to the other side, or a reversal to the other side, okay, with a break of structure, because some reversal, if you know, gets break of structure, if you get what I mean. Some reversal will just stop here. Some reversal is not completely a reversal, Sha, if it doesn't break structure. Yeah. So when you have it, the market turn and break structure, okay, these are what you should look out for in a support. So your support one, so write this, okay, write this. Check out points for a support. It should look like a downtrend happening, a break of structure, what, and a starting point. Of course, there's always a starting point. So what you have is a high low, a low low, that's a high low, a higher low, a lower low, a break of structure, and of course, this is a starting point to push the market lower. Let's go again. When you are looking for a support, check this out. These are what you tick, all right? A high low, a lower low, a break of structure, and a starting point. All right? So I'm just going to do this. Let me make it clear so everybody can take a screenshot. All right? Let's take a screenshot. Let's take a screenshot. All right? All right? Beautiful. So I'm just going to use text to write on it. I think I can use text immediately without even. All right, let's see. I think I can use text. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to type it twice. All right. So that is what? Starting point. That is a starting point, right? Ooh, why did it come to stay here? I guess I have to rotate it then. I guess I have to rotate it. There you go. All right, that is your starting point. Let me rotate this one too. This is your break of structure. So I'm just going to call it BOS. BOS. Right? Right? Let me shift this a bit. Yes, that's your break of structure. And this is your higher low. Higher low. And this, I'm just going to rotate it. This is your higher low. And this is your lower low. So these are the 4 things you look out for, right? Okay, beautiful. So these are what you look out for. These are what you look out for when you are looking for support. What's going on? When you're looking for support. So can you take a screenshot, please? Take a screenshot. I've told you guys where you should be is with Coach Oran levels. Go and subscribe. Guys, so many nuggets. I'm just giving you small things. Small things. All right. So have you gotten this? This is clear, right? So now let me show you your support and how to draw your support, right? So when you are drawing your support, pick a rectangle, okay? Pick a rectangle. And this is where you're drawing your support. From the higher high. So, I mean, from the higher low to what? From the higher, okay, not more like, yes, from the higher low to the lower low. And then you pull it out. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, that is your support right there. So when price gets here, you expect it to bounce. You already did that once. This is your confirmation that it has turned to a support. Does it put 2 and 2 together? This is your aha moment. It's your aha moment, right? So it turns to a support. Why? Because it already bounced. It already bounced right here. So when you see these 4 confirmations, just draw your supports. All right, so let's go to how to identify your resistance, right? Oh, I keep doing like this, like people are seeing me. Oh, all right, in resistance, when you see this, all right, when you see this, hold up. Where's my drawing? Where is it? All right, here. When you see this, an uptrend, right down. For resistance, when you see an uptrend, right, up, of course, there's always a pullback. Up, of course, there's always a pullback, all right? Beautiful. So when you see an uptrend, I want somebody, if somebody, the first person to drop it down there, the things we should look for, of course, it should be the opposite of what we were looking for in the other one. If somebody can be sharp enough to drop the 4 of them there, I owe that person something, and I will connect with that person. All right. So look at that. Okay. What do we look out for? So in our uptrend, before we continue, uptrend, what do you see? You see a high. Okay. You see a low and you see a high, and you see a higher low and you see a higher high. You see a higher low and you see a higher high. Hey. Well, yeah, beautiful. So you look out for what? A higher low, a higher high, a break. Everybody's giving me 1-1. Nobody's giving me everything. Lie. Nobody has won this thing, and I've almost finished giving everything out. So you look for higher highs. You look for lower high, and you look for higher high. You look for a break of structure, a break of starting point, and voila, you have your resistance. Like everybody, it was when I finished that somebody finally mentioned everything. Jumoke, well done, but you didn't answer on time. So let's see this. So this happens. Fiam. What do you see, guys? A break of structure, a break of starting point. a break of starting point. All right. A break of starting point. No, I prefer my ray. I prefer my ray. No. A break of starting point right there. There you go. Can you see? Can everybody see that? Now, when you have your lower high, your higher high, your break of structure, your starting point, then you know your support is cooked and ready, right? Your support is cooked and ready. Your support is, what is going on? Your support is cooked and ready. I'm just going to bring it out again. So we have a higher high. We have a lower high. We have a starting point. We have a breaker structure right there, a breaker structure. So you have a lower high, okay? You have a higher high. You have a breaker structure, BOS. You have a starting point. There you go. Take a picture, a screenshot, let's go. We're going right into the chat. So is everybody understanding so far? Now, tell me where I will draw my resistance. Tell me where I will draw my resistance. Tell me where I'll. Kingo Gay, let's go. Sheesh. Let's go, baby. That's it. I love that. All right. We draw from the, right? There you go. And then we pull it. We drag it. That's my support, ladies. I mean, my resistance, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. There you go. Can everybody see my screen? Can everybody take their screenshot? Let me just label it once. My resistance. Is this clear? Oops, what's going on? Is this clear? Can everybody see it? Beautiful. That is how to find your resistance. Thank you. So now we're going on to the charts. Let's go. So there's something I want you to condition your mind to know. Market has a mind of its own. Sometimes when you expect it to hit your support and come down, that is when it wants to break it. So I'm just going to give you guys a hint. When you see it has been rejecting, it will hit there, it will come back. It will hit there, it will come back. It will hit. When you see it's rejecting, left for me, that's what I do. I'm not saying you should follow me and do, but I'm just saying when I see that a candle is rejecting at a particular spot, I know that place either a resist, something there is holding it. It's either a resistance or a support. So then I know, okay, I'm going in. I'm going in for that buy at that support, and I'm going in for that sell at that resistance. All right. So that's it. Now let's go to the charts. Let's play the big boy game. Let's go. All right. Someone should pick a pair. Someone should pick a pair. First person to drop. Someone should pick GBPJPY. 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 Oh, I marked this out. Oh, wow. Oh, triple bottoms. Oh, my God. I don't even know if I took this trade because I didn't set any alarm. Oh, okay, let me clear the chat. All right, oh man, GBPJPY. So when you come to the charts, number one thing to do is please change it to a line chart. Because trust me, when it comes to support and resistance, most times the candles lie. All right, the candles lie. But the line chart makes it clearer for you to see. All right, the line chart makes it clearer for you to see. So I'm just going to change this. First of all, what is this trend saying? What is this trend saying? Okay, we don't know yet. So let's just act like we just come into the market. And I like to go to the daily to check my trend. I like to go to the daily to check my trend. I usually like to swing. I prefer swing trading, like, you know, this is an uptrend, a bit of a consolidation going on there. So yeah, it's still an uptrend, right? Okay, beautiful. On the daily, on the 4 hour, which is where I like to take my trades, the least I can go is the 1 hour, to be honest. All right, so it's okay. Okay, we see this. All right, so what do I do? Change to a line chart. All right, a line chart. By the time you practice with your trading view, you will get the skill of trading with your trading view. Okay, so let's look for somewhere that we can see. Let me just go to the daily since this is practical, I beg. It removes all this noise. All right, beautiful. Beautiful. Aha. Now, do you see, this is an uptrend, right? This is an uptrend, right? Tell me you can see what I'm saying. It's an uptrend, right? Yes, it's an uptrend, right? Beautiful. Now, can someone help me locate a lower high and a higher high? A lower high and a higher high. This is higher than this, so no, we're not going for that. I'm looking for, all right, I see a lower high here and a higher high. I see a lower high here and a higher high. Let's take this one. This one is higher. I see a lower high and a higher high. So what do? I say, okay, I can see that. Do I see a break of structure? A break of structure? Do I see a break of structure? No, I'm not seeing, oh yes, here. There's a break of structure here. So lower high, higher high, break of structure. So I just go and put my line here, right? Lower high, higher high, break of structure, starting point here, right? I'm sorry. Yes, is it a starting point? I hope I'm doing it right. Yes, starting point here, more like starting point here. No, sorry, here, sorry. This is the starting point. This is the starting point, right? Yes, this is the starting point. I'm confusing myself. Sorry, we see a lower high, a higher high, a break of structure, and where is our starting point? Starting point. Starting point should be around where it broke. Yeah, around here. Yeah, so this is the starting point. This is the starting point. Which one took the market higher? Let me not confuse myself here. I'm even getting confused because naturally I would have just drawn it by now. So I will just draw as far as I've seen my break of structure. That's fine. I'll just draw from here. All right. So voila, I got my what? I got my, what do we look for in an uptrend? Can someone remind me what we look for in an uptrend? What do 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 we look for? Nobody's saying resistance. We look for what? A resistance. So let's see if this thing even played the role. Okay, guess what? It broke, retested, and went up. So it broke, it violated the resistance, retested, and turned the resistance to a support. So the only place it resisted was where? The only place it resisted. The only place it resisted was where? I want to see who will catch it. The only place it resisted here was where? You can see there was a consolidation here, so you can't call this resistance. Was here. Can you see? The only place of resistance, and I can't even call it I can't even really call it. Oh, I guess I made a mistake. This is where the break of structure happened, but it happened below. Guys, there's a mistake here. Can everybody see it? This is what we are looking for. Let me just draw it out so I don't make a mistake. I don't make a mistake when it gets to the charts. We are supposed to break it downward. We're supposed to have like a higher high, a lower high, and a break of structure downward, not upward. A break of structure downward. So I made a mistake there, and the break of structure never happened. That is why we had it break. The break of structure never happened. The break of structure. So this is what we're looking for. Let me draw it out or bring it here so we don't forget. So give me a second so that I tick my checklists, because I just learned this and I wanted Coach Ngozi I just wanted to honor her invitation. So this is my line, all right? This is my uptrend. So a lower high, a lower low, a break of structure downward, yeah. So a lower high, a lower high, a higher high, and a break of structure. So give me a second. Let me just draw it out so that we can take note of it. Geometric shapes. So polyline. Yeah. So what we need is a lower high, a lower high, a higher high, a break of structure. So this is what we are looking for, right? Basically an M that has broken, all right? An M with a high left shoulder, a high left distance. So let's look for that here. All right, but this one did not break. Wow, this has been a continuous move up. This GBGJPY, Coach Ngozi, you've given me work. Oh. We are looking for a structure like this. This thing has been going up. I'm not even seeing a break. I'm still yet to I'm still yet to see a resistance. This thing is just going up, breaking resistance up and down. So let's go to a lower time frame. Let's see if we can see something. Let's see if we can see something on the lower time frame. All right. A lower high, a higher high. You have to zoom in. Oh. A lower high, a higher high. Was there a break of structure? It's too far. A lower high, this is a higher high. Let's look for a lower high and a higher high. All right, I think I see something. Wow. A lower high and a higher high. A lower high and a, okay. A lower, no. This is higher. All right, I see a lower high. I see a lower high here. Let me zoom in. This is a lower high and this is a higher high. right? This is a low. If you look closely, you can see it too. Let me zoom in very well. This is a lower high, a higher high, right? A lower high, a higher high, and a break of structure. Let's even use this one. A lower high, a higher high, a break of structure, right? A lower high, a higher high, a break of structure. So this is it here. A lower high, and even use this one. A lower high, a higher high, a break of structure. So let's see. Let me bring it up. No, this is a lower low. This is a lower low. Lower high, a lower high. Yes, a lower high, a higher high, and a break of structure. Yeah. All right. And a break of structure downward. All right, can we see now? A lower high, a higher high, a break of structure down. Can everybody see that now? It's complete. A lower high, a higher high, a break of structure, right? A lower high, a higher high, a break of structure. Do we see that? At least we have 3 out of 4, or 3 out of, or 4 out of 5. Yes, 3 out of 4. A lower high, a higher high, a break of structure. Now, have we gotten our resistance? Did it resist here? Did it resist here? Yes, it did. Yes or no? I want to see if you guys are following me. It followed, yeah. It followed. A lower high, a higher high, a break of structure, right? And if you check, this is a starting point here that took the market higher. So you have a starting point. So let me change it to candles. I'm not used to line charts. So let's change it to candles. There you go. There you go. There you go. Can you see it? Can you even see our starting points here? But if, starting point, that's the body of the starting point. Coach Oran will say, drop from the body to the wick. See the starting points here now. Yes, it's giving supply and demand. So if you can see the resistance, please put some 111s in the chat box. Please put some 111s in the chat box if you can see the resistance going on here. Yes. So it came back here, it resisted, and it has not come back up there since. It has not come back up there since. Right? Mary, when did you come in? Mary, when did you come in? Did you just come in now? Did you just come in? So let me use the candles because I know line charts can actually deceive. I mean, people that are not used to line charts. Okay, so you have to, I cannot really go back to the beginning. You just came in, that's why. So if we're looking for a resistance, we are looking for, this is a high, it came down. Even with candles, you can see it. This is another high. And then what happens? A break of structure. Right? So there you go. So even if I remove the candles, you can see a high, a lower high, a higher high, a break of structure. Then what I'm waiting for is for it to come back here and resist. Do you see that, guys? Do you see that? Because what happened? What happened? We had a lower low, a lower high. This is already acting as a resistance from this high. I mean, why didn't it keep going higher? Right? So a lower high, a higher high, a break of resistance, and if you can see our starting point here, right there. Right? So we have gotten our resistance. Let's look for support. Let's look for support. Let's look for support. So what are we looking for in a support? We are looking for a higher low, a lower low, and a break of, right? We are looking for what? A higher low, a lower low. Right, let me look at my notes. Yes, we are looking for a higher low, a lower low, and a break of structure upward. We are looking for a higher low, a lower low, and a break of structure upward, right? So does this look like a what? A low to you? Does this look like a low to you? Does this look like a low to you? Remember, I came from here. So you can see in a downtrend, you have lower lows and lower highs. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a higher low and a lower low. So this was a low and this was another low, right? This was a low and this is another low. So in a downtrend, we are looking for lower lows, yes, high lows and low lows, right? So this is a low that is higher than this low, another low, another low, another low, a low, a low, a low, a low, a high, a lower high. You understand? A high, a lower high. So let's do what we came here to do. Now we are looking for a high low. This low, this is a low, and this is a low. So this is a low, a low, a low, this one is not lower. This is not lower. So this is still the same height as this. All right. So what we have here, we have low, 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 right? Can everybody see it? Please put a 1. I want to make sure everybody's getting it. Can we see the lows? Thank you. So once we see the lows, what are we looking for next? A break of structure upwards. A break of structure upwards. Was there a break of structure? Not yet. A break of structure? Not yet. Same low with this one, right? So I see a lower low. Finally, there's a break of structure here. There's a break of structure here. So, all right, beautiful. So we have what? Our high low, our low low, and a break of structure up. Let me turn it to line chart. First things first, turn to a line chart. Beautiful. Sorry, guys. Turn to line chart, beautiful. So this is a low. This is another low. A higher low, a lower low, and our break of structure. So let me just point it out. A low, right? A low. Candles. We brought it out the other time. Yes, a low, and a break of structure. So a low, and break of structure. Another low. Sorry, I keep doing this. I'll repeat it. Right? A high low, a lower low, and a break of structure. Can we see our break of structure? Why do I keep making this mistake? A break of structure, right? We see our break of structure there. Beautiful. Now, when we see this, have you found your support? Yes or yes? What do we do? What do we do? We connect our higher low and lower low and draw it to find our support. So let me just bring out my rectangle. Where is my rectangle? From here to here and I drag it. So let's see if we can find a sub where this thing bounced out from. There you go. There you go. There you go. Are we seeing our support? Last time before it broke it. So our higher low, our lower low, our break of structure, and bam, up, bam. We thought it was going to break and close. It still came back up. But let's just leave this one out. Although it's still a support, it did not come down. It didn't break close. Let's check. Let's see. Even if it went against us, there's still pips. So if it breaks your support and retest, remember our starting point. If it breaks, retest, you take the market down. So after getting this, let's change it back to candles. At least we've gotten what we're looking for. And let's look at what happened there. So bam, it came here, it took it off. How many pips? So much pips. Went against it. So like a little head and shoulder formed here, and then it continued. Came back, bam, another one. And then took the market up, came here still and bounced before it finally broke it. So when the market has hit the support so many times, it gets weak and then finally breaks it. And when you have a break of support, that support becomes what? A resistance. It becomes a resistance. And that is why it came back here and bam, it became a resistance. So this is where the market is. We don't know what's happening right now. But on the other hand, if it had broken up, I would wait for that retest and I would have entered for a buy. But guess what? It broke it down. Market will always do what it wants. Then if I see that, okay, it has broken down, come out from the trade and wait for the next move, right? You wait for the next move. Look at this thing. I would have entered there, a sell. I would have gotten small peep and moved my stop loss. So if it goes back, I'm still in profits. You have to move your stop loss. Always move your stop loss into profit once it comes out. That way, you will never ever be stopped out. If you are sharp enough to look at when it came out here, close below, came to retest. It went all the way here. So you would have caught something. Market, this thing doesn't lie. It broke here. There was a retest here, right? See the P page he gave you now. He gave you something. So if he has given you this kind of thing, why didn't you move your stop loss into profits? Even if it comes back here, you would have made your money. And I'm like, okay, someone like me that is always waiting for reverse trade. It came here again. It hit. It came down. See, peep, I would have moved it here. Once it turns blue like this, like about $3 or $2, I've moved my stop loss, so forget. I don't care what anybody is saying. You understand? You would have made it. So it now went up again. Look at that. Retested. This is where I would have gone in for a buy. Nobody should tell me anything. I even see heads and shoulder. I see heads and shoulder. So, I mean, guys. So that's how to trade this thing. So I want somebody to share screen so that we can practice. Just one person, because we have wasted a lot of time trying to. This is my first time teaching this. Okay, no, I taught it yesterday to my team. Yes, I taught it yesterday, but I'm usually not used to line charts. I'm getting used to it, so it kind of confused me a bit, and that was why. So can you see, in this same chart, we got our resistance, we got our support. Look at that. Right? Look at. Right? It didn't even go up to here, and it's already coming down. So is it clear? Can everybody see this? Can you see? It's like magic. If you get it, please put a 111 in the chat box, ladies and gentlemen, so that I can call somebody to the front of the class. So who is willing to share screen? You can share screen and kick me out. I'm gonna put this thing in my YouTube channel. I'm gonna put it in my YouTube channel. I'll do a better version so everybody gets it. I either put this up or I do a better version so everybody gets it. All right. The recording will be shared. Yes, the recording will be shared. Of course. You're welcome. So who is coming? Who is manning up? Who is coming to the front of class to share screen? Nobody? Nobody is coming to. Let's do another pair. Let's do another pair. Right? Let's do another pair. Who is selecting another pair? Nobody wants to come to the front of class. So for people just coming in, I need you to take a screenshot of this. Where did we draw? I think we drew it on the BTC. BTC. No. I think we drew it on the BTC, but I don't know which one. Ooh, where did I draw it? So you can take screenshots. Once you can take screenshots, go and practice. Aha, there you go. There you go. So take a screenshot. Yeah, who is asking questions? Coach Ngozi, can you see the questions? Can you see the questions? Take a screenshot, please. Just take a screenshot first.
Please, if you want to understand it, I think Makonki, share your screen.
Yes, whoever wants to understand it.
Share your screen.
Let's do
then we'll do it with you.
When you are...
Coach Choma,
okay, make him host.
Share your screen.
Make him host. Okay, I should start sharing.
Yes. The Makonki, share your screen. Since you want to if you want to understand it, share your screen. Then we'll do it with you. Or anybody that okay, Mary.
Dozie said entry, stop loss, target. How do you know this? That is why you have to study more. That is why you have to study more. People that use more of this kind of thing, they use just this and that without too much confirmation, are binary traders. TBX, they know themselves. Binary traders, they use this to kill the market back and forth. If it breaks, I know it is now that particular line is now a what? It's no longer a support, it's now a resistance, or it has broken resistance, and that particular resistance is now a support. So they just use it to kill it. So this person is using a phone, instead of a laptop.
Okay, Coach Choma, I also want to say something if you don't mind. Well, if you want to calculate your TP and your stop loss, I think your stop loss should be few pips under the box, because I'm trying to use the technique of supply and demand. So few pips under your box should be your stop.
No, Coach Oran will tell you target 20 pips and leave the market.
Okay.
Coach Oran will say target 20 pips and leave the market. Now, if, like I said, if you're the type that is a 1:3 person, you don't have to know your risk to reward. If you're the type of person that is a 1:3, if you're targeting 20 pips or 30 pips, you know that it is 10 pips stop loss. That's 1:3. 1:2 is 50-50. So if I'm targeting 20 pips or 30 pips, I know that I'm aiming for 10 pips or 15 pips for stop loss. So Coach Oran says, with this kind of strategy, you can just do 20 pips and leave the market jelly. Now, the kind of money you make depends on your leveraging. If your leveraging makes a whole lot of sense and you have money that you can hold your leveraging, or you've decided you want to risk $20 today and your leveraging makes sense, then 20 pips is a lot of money. So imagine 0.1 on 20 pips. Coach Ngozi, you know, I'm not good with maths. 0.1 on 20 pips will give you roughly about how much?
Okay, 0.1 on 20 pips. 0.1 on 20 pips will give you actually $20.
$20.
Yeah,
0.02 we give, So if you know that you want to be targeting 30 pips, target your 30 pips and leave the market with your lot size. It depends on how much you're willing to risk in the market. So who is sharing screen? Jess said it's for Hugo. So you're using Xness. Don't worry, you will graduate to Hugo. Use your Xness. I use Xness. So I don't like Hugo is giving me stress in this life because I've blown accounts with Hugo. Hey. But Xness helps you to save, guys. Xness helps you to save. So somebody should share screen. Let's get down to business. Where is anybody with a laptop? My cookie was using a phone, which would be very difficult for us to work
PPP. PPP just shared his screen.
How come I can't see the screen? I'm not seeing the screen. Okay, PPP, is this your screen? Zoom. All right. I thought it was my screen. All right. Let's get down to business. So take me to your trading view and pick a pair. If you're confused with line chart, you can stick to your candles, I beg. Look for lower low, lower high, and higher high. You can find it with candles. It's just that it will not give you the pinpoint. So what you do is marking the body, at least. When you mark the body, you understand? Leave weeks, then you get your support full term. All right, beautiful. USD JPY. All right. This looks good. Do you see a lower high and a higher high? And a break of structure? Take it up. Take your cursor up. Do you see that M? That M that got long all of a sudden. No, go back. No, go back. No, not that one. Go up. Take it up. Take your hand up. See that M? See that? No, you don't pass them. You don't pass them. You can use this one as well. Okay, look at that M. Let's use that M. Yes. But that's not a lower high. See this one. Go move your cursor small up. Small. To the right. Small. No, you're moving to the that's the M I'm looking at. So do you see your lower high and higher high there? And break of structure. Oh, yeah, put your rectangle there now. That's it. Yes, that is your lower high. That is your higher high. Now, you've already marked it out. Thank you. What is that called? That is called your what? That is called your what? Your resistance. So you're waiting for the market to go there now. Yes, it's your resistance. It's your resistance. Okay, go back. Let's see how powerful it is. Just go back to what happened to the back of the market. Let's see. To the left side. Let's use just this one you've gotten. Let's see if it worked as a support before and it has worked as a resistance before. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Look at that place now. Where did we mark it? Where did we mark it from? That's why I prefer to use rectangles. Where did you mark it from? All right, look at now. Oh, good. So you marked it from here. Now take it back and see if the market has been respecting that spot. Look at that. Look at it. Hit good. It hit and resisted it right there. It formed head and shoulder. It hit and resisted it and gave you some pips. Yes. It hit and resisted it and gave you some pips. Then finally broke it and went and respected it and gave you some pips and broke it and came down to hit it again from the top and gave you serious pips down. Let's keep going back. Let's see if that place is just that this is high. Let's look for another one. Let's look for a support. Let's look for a support. You're squeezing in too much. We can't see. You've gotten a good resistance there. Look at it. It respected it twice already as a resistance. It respected it twice already. It even acted small as a support. Yes. So let's get a support, a major support. So when you're looking for a major support, what are you looking for? You're looking for what? A higher low and a lower low. A higher low and a lower low and a break upward. Can you see one here?
Sorry, Coach Choma.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I think we should use another pair because that's where the market is now in USD JPY. That has been the highest since like 2000.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Oh
so you
wow.
cannot, yeah. If everybody wants to check, you can confirm that has been the highest since
But
2000.
no, don't get scared. Let us look for support there. Even with
Okay,
that.
yeah, we can look for support, but not resistance because
We
it's a very,
found a resistance already, funny enough. Let's
very
stop getting scared. We found a resistance there. Let's face it, look at it. It resisted and look at all the pips it gave us down. The second shoulder. Look at all the pips. Yes, look at all the pips. It resisted from that second shoulder and gave us all the way down. Don't be scared of markets. You can tackle markets even if it has reached higher high. Don't be scared of markets. So let's look for a support in this same pair. So in the pair of support, what are you looking for? A higher low and a lower low. Look for a higher low and a lower low. Go to this end. Go to this end. Look for a higher low and a lower low. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. You're too close to the market. Come back. Like come back. Let's look for a lower low and a higher low. A higher low and a lower low. So let's look for a lower low and a higher low. Come down. I can see one there. Can you see? Did you see one? Oh, look at those. Look at that one. Look at that low and that low. Yes, that's a lower low. Now put it on a higher low. Before it, you can see that higher low. The market came down. Look at that small. See, you have a lot of lines, first of all, that is confusing everybody. Remove those blue lines, please. Yes. Okay. Let's find the support. Find a support, a higher low and a lower low. I wish you could unmute this person. Wow. Just hide drawings. Yes, don't matter. We found don't worry about it. Let's find the support. We are looking for a high low and a low low. A high low and a low low. No, go back now. There's no, can you, see, I'm seeing one big one. It's big, but it's a support nonetheless. See the low here. Look for a small downtrend. You'll be able to find a lower low, a high low, and a low low. Look at it there, right there. Take your, no, go back a bit. Go back a bit. Go back a bit. See where the line fell down. Look for a low. See this low here. See that sharp, this thing pointing down. That's a low. All the way ahead. See it there. No. Okay. Hey, Jesus. Away. See all the drama. There are so many lines. Can you forfeit your lines? Click on the lines and delete them. Then you can, okay, you're scared because you don't want to come and plot your, so yeah, get another pair, please. Since you're protecting your alarm, please get another pair. Person is protecting his alarm. Delete the line since no green delete line. See another line everywhere. Please delete these lines. Yeah. All right. Beautiful. All right, beautiful. Now, we are looking for support. A high low and a low low. So what are you looking for in a high low? First of all, look for a downtrend, like a downtrend. Lines are free. Look for a downtrend. Then you find a a high low and a low low, and then you get your support. It's very easy. So look for where the market fell down now. Look ahead, there's a low there and there's a low down there. I don't even like that one. This is too close to the market. Go back. Let's look for low low and high low and low low. The market's coming down. Like go back, go back. This JPY series, they went up too much, so it's hard to really find what we're looking for. But there's supposed to be support. So look for a high low and a low low. See what you're looking for. Look for a look at that. Okay, let's look at that small downtrend. Look at this. Look for a downtrend. Show me a downtrend first. Show me a downtrend. Not close to the market. Just show me a downtrend. Thank you. Look at, you just missed a downtrend. Yes. Yes, falling from the top to the bottom, that is a downtrend. Now look for a low and another low. Remember, when it comes low, it has a pullback. And then it comes low again, and there's a pullback. So yes, you can see good. But that thing is high. That's high. That's not a low. That's a high. That's a pullback. So get the low, which is below it. Yes, that's the low. Yeah, thank you. Now there's another low there. Yes, you're seeing it now. Great job. Beautiful. There you go. There you go. But this is it so close to the market? But look at now. Look at, what are we looking for? What were we looking for? Support. We are looking for support. There is no break of resistance. There is no break of resistance. So this one doesn't qualify. There's no break of break upward, break of structure upward. So this one doesn't qualify for a what? A support. So come down and get a lower low and a higher low and a lower low with a break of structure, which is down there on that same, use the one down, use the one down. Look, that's not a downtrend. That same line that you've marked, that same downtrend. Good. Come down, come down, come down, come down. Do you see a lower low? Come down. Do you see it came down? There's a low there and it went back up and another low. Yes. And then you see break of structure. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that. Is this a support? Yes or no? Did you see the market hit it 2 more times and it went up? Go all the way back. You will see that it's been a support through and through. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that support there. Look at that. Yes. It took it up. Then when it breaks it downward, it turns to a resistance. So can you see? It breaks it up. We found it as a support as well at first. Then when we take it back, we see that every time it breaks below, it turns to a resistance. If it breaks above, it's a support. If it breaks below, it is a resistance. You must surely catch at least 20 pips either way. Scalpers will really enjoy this. Scalpers will really enjoy this. Scalpers really enjoy this. So can you see, even if you keep going back, if it was a support before, once it breaks above, it's a support. If it breaks below, it's a resistance. Look at that. You've gotten a core point in the markets. Is that easy? Just know your formula. Your formula is when I have a lower high and a higher high in an uptrend, a lower high, higher high in an uptrend, and a break of structure downward. I'm looking for what? Of course. Thank you. It's the same thing, guys. It's just different English. It's the same thing. Supply and demand is the same thing. It's the same thing, guys. It's just different English. Right? Right? One more person, so we can call it a night. One more person that doesn't understand. One more person. Stop sharing your screen. Congratulations, you get it. One more person so we can call it a night. I'm going to drop a simple, I can't drop this on my YouTube channel. This is too long. I'll drop a simpler version. Then you just watch it. It will just take 15 minutes. This is too long, actually. People will get tired of watching. Someone should step up and share screen. If you're with your laptop, share your screen. Congratulations, whoever just shared their screen. You get it now. Nobody? Nobody? All right. Coach Ngozi, please take over.
Wow. So we are trying to say that we are beach traders, that we understand. So we all understand. Let me know.
Let me see if they have questions.
Yes or no. And also drop your questions in the chat box.
Oh,
they're all using our phones. Coach Chioma, isn't there a way we can use phone for trading view?
Oh, yeah, now who can use, but you need someone that can use phone very well. I don't want somebody that will shout out my voice. Someone that has mastered how to use trading view on their phone.
Mary, can you use trading view on your phone? Chika, can you use trading view on your phone? If you can, just share your screen.
They are learning.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, Chika, you can. Okay, if you can, please share your screen.
Chika, let's go. Let's go, Chika.
Share your screen so that those for phone, they will not use that excuse that they don't understand.
That they were just using laptop up and down. How can they expect? Is there everybody that has laptop? What's rubbish? People's mouth, eh? Oh, yeah, phone people. Take notes. Trading view.
I see my screen.
We are seeing it clearly, man. Yeah.
Okay.
If
you are using your phone, please take notes. So
I have something to show you guys for people that will remain to the end of the class. Hey. Something I want to show you how it works in binaries for binary lovers. Those that will stay. This thing works like.
It's like I'll not go and check my rice again. No, let me stay.
I'll just show you guys real quick. Okay, so pick anyone you want. Pick anyone you want, darling. Let's get down to business. But we are going to use candles because it's kind of tough to change it to line charts with your phone. Unless you can do it. If you can do it, why not? Bianca cannot see the screen.
Yeah, me too. I can't see the screen.
The screen just froze on my own end.
Chika, is your network?
A network.
It's our network. Please, can someone else share? Can someone else with a phone share?
You're wasting time. Oh. Let me just quickly show you. Oh, beautiful. Mary is sharing. Mary stepped up. That's it, Mary. You learn every day. All right. Beautiful. So you like Euro USD? Turn your phone to be rectangular so that the screen can show us a rectangle.
Okay.
Like just turn your phone so it is rectangular. You don't have to. Oh, what are you doing? That's it. That's it. Squeeze them very well. Squeeze it. The candles are too big. Yeah, squeeze. Good. Good. Ah, beautiful. I bet. Let's not even talk too much. It's all right, baby. So let's not even talk too much. Go back. Go back. Don't go forward. Go back. Let's see. Go back. Let's find something beautiful. Don't change it. Don't worry. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Now let's look for our resistance. Let's look for a resistance. When we're looking for resistance, okay, this is how. Is this a downtrend or an uptrend? First of all, who's sharing screen again? No, what's happening?
Sharing screen. Sorry, I'm trying to. Okay.
If you're sharing screen, you have to just stay one place. So everybody, so you can see. Okay, you're on the daily. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Don't be scared of higher time frames. That's fine. But can you see? Can you see this is a downtrend? Shift you see that my picture, shift it to the side. All right. It's so big. You can't shift it all the way so that it will, it's all right, it's fine. All right, that's fine. That's fine, good. Now, we can see a downtrend going on. So let's look for what? We're looking for a resistance. Let's look for resistance. So now what we're looking for, what is a lower high and a higher high. Just help me find a lower high and a higher high. This thing has been going down, 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 down. How we go do it? All right, I see a lower high and a higher high. Can you see it? I see it very well. A lower high and a higher high. There, right there. You don't even have to go further back. Can you see a lower high and a higher high?
Yeah.
I can't see your cursor. Hey, how do we find cursor now for this thing? I know it's phone, yeah. Yeah, she has to just pick something and just use your polyline. Use your polyline. Use your polyline. No, I saw it. Go up. You see polyline. Go up. No, come down. Geometric shapes. Geometric shapes. Yes.
Yeah.
Use polyline. Yes. Now show me your lower high and your higher high. In this, you know, when it's going up is when you can see lower high and higher high. See it now where it's going up. Just find that place that it is ascending. Good. Find me a lower high starting from down. Start from down for me. Start from down. Let's look for it. Lower high. No, that's a lower low. I want to see a high. Go up. Go up small. Go up. You're going down. That's an uptrend. You're going down. Go up. No. Come back. Come back. Away. Come back now. See now it went. See, you see all the way. Look, start from down. Let me show you. Start from that down part there. Come down. Come down. You're too down. Come down. Come down. Yes. Okay. That is the starting point, right? That pushed the market high. Okay. So it pushed the market high. Then look for a higher that is higher than that one, and then give me my resistance.
This point.
Give me a high. Can you see that green candle that took it high? Then there was a drop down and another high. Okay, a moment. Yes, okay, look at that place. Good. Look at the starting point that took it high, and then it came down and there was another high. For that Euro USD. Yeah. Then I can't see your hand again. Okay, draw it out. Get your line. Get your line. Get your line. Get a horizontal line. A horizontal line. A horizontal line. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, yes, from there, let's say that is where it started from. All right. From there, all the way down, it started from there. But you can see a high there. Can you see a high? See that starting point from there. So put your line on that high.
Okay.
Take it up. That's a low. Take it up. That is a high. Come down. Come down. Touch the. No. Oh my goodness. No, come down. Yeah, that's the second high. That's the second high. There you go. First high.
I don't know why you think it's going back.
Yes, you can use that one. That's a high as well. That's a high. Good. Oh yeah, give me the second high. Get your trend line.
Yeah.
No, where are you running to? There's a high there now before an obstruction.
This one.
Go up. That's another. Go up before the next obstruction. That is a high.
This point.
Thank you. Put your line. Get your line and put it there.
Wow, we are tired of this thing.
No, you get used to it though. Can't be tired. Why are you getting trend line? Click on it, double click that twice. Click and delete it, delete it, delete it. See the dustbin, see the dustbin there. See the dustbin ahead. Now pick a horizontal line, not a thread line.
Okay.
Good. Or you're going to put it on that second high. There, yes, that's a high.
How will I do this thing so you can just stay
Just
there?
click on it. There you go. Now, let me show you why it is a high. Start from down. You will see that it hit here, it came down, it hit there, gave us another high before it came down and pushed the market to another high. So can you see that that is a high and a high? Now, this is a resistance. Go towards the beginning of the market. Do you understand? Thank you. Can you see it came back here and it resisted?
Yes.
And took the market down? Can you see it came there? Keep going. Let's see if it went back up to resist again. Our market has not gone up again since then. Wow. Look at the PPH if you had even cut it there. Now, come, let me show you another thing. Go up.
Oh, yes, you have been this trade for 1 year.
Now daily time frame she there, be.
Like you would have been this trade for 1 year in profit.
For sweet traders, this would be sweet. They would have entered that trade after probably 2 weeks. Almost a lie, you see the thing. Because we're looking for break of structure. Breaking for break of structure. After that break of structure down, retested, and that was it. Wow. Wow. Come down to a lower time frame. So it broke structure down here, went to retest, and it kept coming down. Our resistance. So we found our lower high and higher high, a break of structure. Then it came back to retest that zone, and it pushed all the way down. Scroll back again. Scroll back. No, forward. Sorry. Okay. It came back again, retested, and took the market down. So that place is a resistance, and when it breaks upward, it becomes a support. Is that easy? Guys, is this easy or easy? This is easy. This is very easy. Now, combine it with your other strategies, like the starting point. When you combine, you will see that if it breaks a starting point and retests, it will go up. That's on an uptrend. If it breaks a starting point on an uptrend and it comes back to break it down, it will turn that place to. It's the same thing, guys. It's just in different ways. So see your starting point. See your starting point. Can you see that the beginning and the end of your starting point is like giving you the resistance or the support? It's giving you a core point that can become a resistance and that can become a support anytime. Because when the market now went against us, look at that long arc and broke the starting point down. It retested and the market went down. So can you see that everything is connected? Can you see that everything is connected? Yes or yes? Let me see their questions.
Yes.
So this is a phone and she was able to do it. So everybody gets it. So guys, I guess we will call it a night. Let me show you what I want to show you. So stop sharing screen, my dear. Congratulations, you've gotten it now. So let me show you what I want to show you guys. Let me share my screen and then we'll call it a night. This is just bonus for people that have stayed so long. I know we have a lot of TBX lovers here. I hope everybody has taken a screenshot of this. All right, taking a screenshot of this, beautiful. So now let me show you, let's use pocket options. Yeah, pocket options. I see a higher and a higher. I'm still learning how to do these pocket options. Okay, let's look for it first. Okay, hold on. So this looks like an uptrend. What am I looking for? I'm looking for support. So if I'm looking for support, if I'm looking for something, I'm looking for higher low and a lower low. Let's come down. A higher low and a lower low. No, yeah, a higher low. Okay, look at that. It's too far. It's too far. Let's look for something. Oh, this is not a pair. Let's pick a pair. Let's pick a pair. I like AEDJPY. Let's use a USD card. USD card. Let's see USD card. We can use IQ Sense as well, but I prefer this one because it's actually not available. They've closed for Friday. Okay, let's use this. It doesn't matter, whatever it is. Ooh. Let's see. All right. Let's see. All right. Let's see if this thing works. It's been going up. It's been going up. Push. A lower low, a high low. Okay, look at that. Before it comes down. Please, someone get me a pair. Just give me a pair. A pair that has been normal. Very normal pair, I beg. Let's see GBPJPY. It's not available. Okay, let's see GOD, OTC, off the counter. All right, let's see. Ooh, okay. All right. So I want to look for a support. And for us to look for a support, we're looking for a higher low and a lower low. Do I see that? This is a higher low and a lower low. A higher low and a lower low. Yeah, I see one here. But it's too close. Let's go back. A higher low and a lower low. A higher low. Okay, beautiful. A higher low and a lower low. A higher low and a lower low. Okay, I see one here. A higher low and a lower low. A higher low. Oh, beautiful. A higher low. See, it came down here. It gave us a low, came up, gave us another low. Can you see my a higher low and a lower low here? Can you see my screen? It came down, gave us this low, went back up, gave us a lower low, right? Can everybody see my screen? If you can see, put a 1 in the chat box so we can go to bed. If you can see, put a 1 in the chat box. So market came down like this. It gave us a low, went back, gave us a lower low, right? So all I need to do is just go up here and pick up my rectangle, right? And then pull it. There you go. Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh, there's no break of structure, so it doesn't qualify. It doesn't qualify. Oh, there is. Funny enough, there is. It does. Yeah, there's a break of structure. Beautiful. All right, let's see if this works. So we had, what did we have? A high low, a low low, a break of structure up. So we were looking for what? A support. It came down here, it went up. This is not what. Let's keep drawing it down. Let's see if we can find another one here. A high low, a low low, a high low, a low low, a break of structure. Let's see. I don't know. These are not pairs. Anyways, this is off the counter, so they can do anyhow. Man, should we look for IQ Sense? All right, let's see. A lower low, a lower low. Then we'll enter current market. Let's see if we can make some money here. All right. So I've gotten this as a support, sorry. There you go. It came and hit that area. And what happened? All right. So let's go close to the map. Oh, sorry. Still learning how to. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. I think I want to buy there. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This is OTC. So it might not act like pay. That's the thing. This is OTC. Market has closed. So this thing will just be doing anyhow. But let's see what happens. Let's go. Let's see. That's already broken past our this thing. Ooh. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Sheesh, guys. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Can you see my money increasing? Let the thing be closing first. From 882 to 1,732. Let's go. $2,000, 2,242. Did you guys see that? If you can see this magic, I beg, drop fires in the chat box. I cannot shout. Can you guys see that? Okay, it's coming back there again. Let's see. Let me take it. Let me take it again. Let's see. It might break it, Sha. Is it Choma is using Juju? I'm just clicking where in support I will buy now. In resistance I will sell. So it's hitting my support country. I cannot leave it now. I go see this kind of trade. So it's not possible. I might lose this trade, but let's see how it goes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Push up, push up, push up. Let's go. Sheesh. Who is seeing what I'm seeing, guys? Let's go. Don't come down, no. Don't come down. Give me something. Give me something. Give me something. I think I'm going to lose some, but I'll win some as well. All right. I lost one. I cleared two. I cleared three. There you go. So let's check history. Close trade now. So how many? 1, 2, lost one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, this was 20. Okay, so, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I lost only one. I lost only one, guys. I lost only one. Only one is 0, 0. Other 70, 70, 70, 70. So with that being said, guys, I raised it from $880 to $2,282. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, good night and God bless. Coach Ngozi, take over. I hope everybody has learned something today.
Wow. Wow. As very simple or very funny this thing looks, actually very, 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 very effective. Just like that. Wow, that's a lot. So if you know you got value from Coach Chioma, please put value in the chat box. Put value in the chat box. If you got value from Coach Chioma, please put value in the chat box. Put value in the chat box. She's amazing. She's amazing. She's amazing. Okay, so we've come to the end of the class. So I will encourage you, in as much as we are doing all these classes, endeavor to try and resub. So imagine if that was a live account and she just applied what she knew. She moved $880 to almost 2,000. Almost 2,000. That's like times 10 of your resub money. So the difference between you and her now is the knowledge she's getting day by day from all what she's learning. All what she's learning. So family, don't sleep on this. Don't sleep on this. And if you know that you have any issue, reach out to your mentor. If you don't have a mentor, reach out to Coach Choma. She's there and she's ready to help. Okay, she's ready to help and make sure you get it right. So thank you very much for joining this call. Join us again next week Tuesday, and we're going to have someone different but with another set of values. Now, the only thing that would differentiate you and another person is practice. Practice, practice, practice. Practice, practice, practice. She's going to put it on her YouTube channel. I'm going to send out the recording. Keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing. Okay, keep practicing. Don't say God when the people are dropping their trade results. It can be you. Trading is for everybody. Yes, you can use it for anything. Anything.
Smarty. Who
Anything
is
at
that?
all.
Challenging this
Anything at all.
strategy. Go and test it yourself and see.
Anything at all. So thank you very much. Like I said, reach out to your mentor. If you don't have a mentor to help you explain, reach out to Coach Choma. Try and resub, practice, and everything will be okay. So have a very, very lovely evening and happy weekend. Bye, everyone.
Bye.